What's up? This is Crypto Muscle. Coming to you with another YouTube video. Here we are, international and worldwide. I think it was at Crypto Muscle and the Crypto Muscle Network, coming to you with another YouTube video. So we got another new opportunity here, and believe me, you're gonna see a lot of people talk about this one. This one's called Quantum246. All right, and again, you're going to see a lot of people talk about this one. This one's going to be a hot one, and it's different. I mean, it's a platform, right? Passive income platform and all that, but at the same time, it's different. So we're going to talk about it, right? And you're going to see as I provide you the information about what this is all about, all right? So at the core of the Quantum246 lies a robust and scalable architecture designed to support the development and deployment of decentralized apps across various industries. They say they are the next generation blockchain platform designed to empower developers, businesses, all that stuff, built upon a robust, secure infrastructure. They offer scalability, speed, and flexibility. Cool, right? Who they are a team of visionary experts deep-rooted in blockchain development, all that good stuff. And the mission was to revolutionize the global economy and empowerment and all that stuff. And the vision, cool. All right, how do they generate wealth? That's the important thing. We got to find out here. We believe in creating value through innovation and collaboration. All right, and DApp applications. All right, so they're the heart of the 246 ecosystem here. All right, and the key features are scalability, speed, flexibility, security, and operability, right? All platforms are. We're dedicated to your growth. Yes. Man, they're pumping this thing up. I mean, come on. Let's get to it here. The architecture, right? They are proof of stake. All right, so this is staking. Smart contract engine, yes. Oh man, the build-up is getting so intense. The platform architecture, right? The virtual machine, networking layer, storage infrastructure. Yes. Partners with several of these exchanges here. Yes. They leverage the power of an innovation and collaboration to navigate the complexity of today's markets. Yes. Quantum rigs. Here we are, right here. Looks like a fire hydrant. But yes. Stake pools. Our staking system allows users to participate in the validation and security of blockchain networks by locking up their cryptocurrency holdings. In return, they receive rewards or dividends in the form of additional tokens. Users can delegate. I know, it's a token thing. You can delegate the tokens to a staking pool or operate their staking node depending on the preference and technical expertise. So here are the staking pools, all right? So 10 to 99 of these tokens, you stake it in, you get 0.6 daily for 30 days, Monday through Friday only. And it's after 30 days you get your capital return. So it runs like a platform, right? You know, your typical platform. 100 to 999, 1% daily, 30 days, Monday through Friday, return after 30 days, all right? Master, you have 1,000 to 29.99, 1.5 daily, 30 days, return after 30, and Titan, 3,000 to 79.99, 2% 30 days, return after 30. I know what you're thinking. I'm not thinking that though. 8,000 to 11.999, 2.5 daily, 30 days, return after 30. Guardian, 12,000 to 100,000, 3%, 30 days, return after 30. Staking provides users with an opportunity to earn passive income while contributing to the decentralization and security of blockchain networks. So this is the 246 token. We are at this sort of launch right now. All right. It's pegged to the USD during launch of stage 1, so we are in stage 1. This means your tokens will not be exposed to early phase price fluctuations. All right, so right now they are $1 each. All right, so 1 for 1. So $1,000 will get you 1,000 QNT. Expected pre-sale price 136. All right, and expected launch price, when it's officially launched, it's $1,000 is going to be 1.8, and you'll be getting less of those tokens over time. So right now is the best time to take the equivalency of the 1 for 1, because as time goes on, you're going to get less QNT. Makes sense to get more QNT right now, because you'll get more for the buck, bang for the buck. So yes, we are at a platform launch price right now. It's like a pre-launch, not even it's a pre-launch to the pre-sale price. All right, so they have a multi-level compensation bonus across 15 levels here. Look at that: 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.8, 0.6, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.8 at level 15. Interesting how it goes back up. Stake reward matching bonus, 5 levels deep. So if you are level 1 and you earn 100 QNT daily, you receive a matching bonus of 10% of that on level 1, and it goes 5 levels deep there. So 10, 8, 6, 4, and 5. Interesting how it goes back up again. Member ranking bonus. All right, so as building up your community, they reward you for your loyalty. So the percentage of your team turnover from all 15 levels is added to your rank turnover as you build. So what do you get out of that? Well, as you start building beyond 100,000 QNT, that's overall cumulative. You start getting an Apple Watch. You go up to 260, you get Apple Vision Pro. You go up to 540, you get this Seamaster Aquaterra watch. This Hot Blot Spirit watch. Once you go up to here, the manager, chairman, Dubai shopping. A council member, get this Audi Q7, or the money equivalent. All right, so that's what you get here. Oh man, even beyond that, mayor, get to mayor status, Bentley, Bentayga, 192,000 equivalent. Or if you become governor, get the Rolls-Royce Spectre, or 360,000 if you hit 10 million turnover. Then you can see your team turnover, ranked turnover breakdown. So if you stake $1,000, if you go 15 levels deep, all the turnovers and what you get based on, and bonuses there. Things to note: with rewards are available for withdrawal as soon as they hit your balance. That's cool. You don't have to wait. They don't say a minimum though, so I don't know if it's withdrawable at any minimum, but I guess we'll find out. All stakes are valid for 30 business days. So in essence, it's like 6 weeks pretty much is the minimum, if you look at it that way. QNT purchase fee 0, stake fee 0, withdrawal fee 5%, swap fee 5%, transfer fee 2%. How you get started? You create an account, you purchase QNT, you create the stake contract, be part of the future. Wham bam, thank you ma'am, right there. Money bags, baby. And so with that, I got started myself into it, and I went ahead and put in $1,000. All right, so let me show you that. Let's see here. So I went ahead and then I threw in $1,000 into it with USDT TRC20. All right, and you can utilize Bitcoin, USDT TRC20, Ethereum, USDT ERC20, Litecoin, BB20, BNB, BUSD's gone. So don't do that one. USDC ERC20, Sol, USDC on the Binance Smart Chain, and then Bitcoin Cash. All right. So you can utilize that. Right now they are 1 for 1. Minimum is a $20 buy-in. Hit next, and then the QR code is going to pop up, or the address will pop up And then from there, you make the purchase. So once the purchase clears, this is going to end up being in your wallet. Alright, so being that it's in your wallet now, it comes in the form of QNT. Alright, and with that, you still got to go ahead and stake it. So staking it, I got 1,000 now, so I'm going to go put it in here. Alright, so I'm going to put the full 1,000 in, so I can make 1.5 daily ROI, and that's for 30 days. Alright, 30 business days, Monday through Friday. So let's see here. Everything's right, yep. So I'm trying to be a master here. And there it is. Got started with my stake. I got my stake on the stake with Quantum246. Alright, so now let's take a look. So now I got it actively going. $1,000. My portfolio, $1,000. 30 days. Got started. So there you go. Get started with me today too. And then we could get this thing banging. Just in case, to get started, just in case, when I first came across this and I signed up, got inside, deposit, everything was fine. And then it said that maybe the IP might not work. So if that does, just turn on the VPN. So you may need a VPN if it doesn't work, if you're interested in this platform. And if you know, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, then use the VPN, then it'll work. Alright, so I'm just wanting to give you a heads up. You can play with the light and dark mode. I like the dark mode here, maybe. Or do I like the light? I'll go with the light. Purple and maybe when I'm working on it at night or something, I'll turn it to dark, but I like the light one for right now. Yeah, pretty easy stuff here. They do have shit. Look at that. See, people are already getting started. So damn, this guy already has 20,000 turnover. That's crazy already. I'm starting to recognize some of these acronyms here. I don't know, I'm not sure who Assad is here, but this could be crypto. And then Tenj. I think I recognize this one. Arlish. This might be Arlisha. This Queen. This could be, we'll see. I think they block it specifically for a reason. But, yeah, so that's where it's at here. Check out Quantum246. It's probably going to be way better than that other shitty version that we know out there with 3 numbers as well. And this one will have more of a backing. This one, you'll see, there's going to be a lot more to this one than a Marco's douchebag trash backing to it. Alright, you're going to see. And then you'll be like, oh yeah, you're right, Crypto Muscle. I know, thank you. But yeah, so that's where it's at here. Check it out. Alright, check out the Quantum246. Right now they're 1 for 1. This is a pre-launch, alright, in a sense. Pre-launch to the pre-sale before they launch the platform. So get ahead of the game. You know, this is always the best time to get into something, is getting ahead of the game, getting ahead in these pre-launch times, you know, before it actually quote-unquote officially launch. Because that's just bonus time right now. Right now is bonus time. So take advantage of that opportunity. Alright, so links in the description. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about all that. Subscribe to everything I got. And thank you. And I'll see you next one.